we are going to set the collision enabled to no collision. That's exactly what we want. And then after that, we want a do once. There's probably a different way on how to do this, but this is how I figured it out. If you wanted to, you could have like a sound here, but I'm not going to do that. And then from the play ref, we're going to get play on montage. Put that in there. And just to make things quicker, I am probably going to use the walk forward. Create a montage. Alright, so what we're going to do is open this. And now we've got this massive walk, but I'm going to shorten it to around 4.5. And this is going to be action, call this end, and like that. Probably wondering why it's not working. That's because of this root link. And now it just goes back and forth. It's short animation just for this. And after that, in order to get the character to actually move, we need a timeline. So add a timeline here. Move to. And then off of this. An order we want to set relative set by the suit location. And now open the timeline. And we want this line to be 0.50. And we want a float track. And then we want 2 keys. This is going to be a time of 0 and a value of 0. This is going to be a time of 0.50 and a value of 1. Rename this value. Pass save. Back to the event graph, and now we've got this. And of this, we want a alert. We want that in the alpha, and not the A. The A can remain 0, and this will be 3, and that will. That's comforting. What we want to do is split, and we want it in the X. And then once this is triggered, we can get delay. A delay. So 2 seconds, and then we can get this copy paste, put that in there. And after 2 seconds, the collision will be enabled again. And the collision isn't working because I have not dragged this and put it back into reset. Like so. Passive. We probably will still walk in the spot, but the collision goes, but then it comes back. That's what we need. That's our issue. I know if I go to this phase through, no, it's got collision again. I can go through it again if I wanted to. But yeah, it's how you make a okay. The collision resets again, and go through. Collision resets. But if you click it, you go through. Alright, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.